Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on REDMI Turbo 4 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and here you can select your turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.